I didn't film much last night. I was that fucking knackered from the travel. I just had to like check into the hotel and get some food and go to sleep, basically. I flew out at like 6:10 a.m. from Adelaide yesterday morning. It was like a 3.5 hour flight to Perth. Had a layover in Perth. It was like 3.5 hours again. And then had like a 6-hour flight to Singapore. So I was knackered. So I didn't film much yesterday. I got to the hotel at like 7 p.m. or something. Like, no, it was like 7:30. It was like well after sunset. I went out, got some food. I was absolutely overwhelmed by the choices in Singapore, so I ended up at McDonald's. Yeah, so this morning I got up for sunrise. It was beautiful. I got some Starbucks coffee. It felt great. Now I'm about to head over to a place called Fort Canning Park, which is just over here, on the other side of the road here. I'm gonna see what it's like. Well, unfortunately that place was a bust. Fort Canning Park. It was like this girl, Singapore girl, putting out like a filming in progress sign on a wall. So I assume, I don't know, they're doing something there. Which means I'm gonna have to come back later.
Me and my mama's healthy. That's all that I need. That's all that I need.
So I'm gonna sit down and just have like a bit of a break because I'm sweating so fierce. I'm on my way to a place called Arab Street, which has this like amazing looking temple or like mosque. And it's this street full of like crazy color. I found it on Instagram. This is really weird, by the way, talking to a camera by myself. This is the first time I've traveled by myself overseas, and I don't know, it's a really different experience. It's I feel like it's so much easier to talk to a camera or record conversation or record what's going on when somebody else is with you. Like, it's really weird. Everybody keeps looking at me funny. Guess I just have to get used to it.
That's all that I need. That's all that I need. I was gone for the new year. Yeah, the boy never found home. But I said for the new year, we gon' work it when I get home. I can probably be on Castaway. Kicking sand, I'm on an island, babe. I be working even when I'm working. They be thinking I be on a holiday. Fuck it. That's just the life that we live. I gotta handle my biz. She with it, she down with the shit. Never really doubted me, you never really doubted me, no. She stay by the side of me, right by the side of me, yo. Plus I need a bad hoe with a body on her. Gotta have drive and gotta get money, baby. And all that you need is under my tummy, baby. Cause all that I need is you and my money, babe. That's all that I need. That's all that I need. That's all that I need. Got my brothers with me. Got my brothers with me and my mama's healthy. That's all that I need. That's all that I need. I'm the type to get shit done. You the type to observe. March Madness on my speakers, but today's November 23rd. Got something loud in the.
It's like my 10th time trying to record this. This sucks. Anyway, trying to give some context to the ending of the video because there wasn't a whole lot of that going on. Basically, after exploring, it got super hot in Singapore. I was sweating way too much. So I went home. Fuck. I went back to the hotel. Had a shower, cooled down, whatever. And then I met up with Bexy, the artist that I was booked to go to Singapore and shoot. So basically I met up with her, we shot some B-roll stuff in the city for the after movie I'm making for her, then went and shot the show, and I've kind of used like some of the clips that I probably won't use in the after movie because they're not as good, but they're still usable. So I've used them at the end there to give you the context of the reason why I'm in Singapore in the first place. But basically I just wanted to say, this vlog probably fucking sucks, and that's fine. The only people who are probably going to watch it, or watch the whole thing anyway, is probably my parents and my very close friends, and I'm cool with that. But I will keep putting them out and keep making them because I feel like it's a really good it's a really good exercise for me to learn storytelling at a quicker rate than I am right now. Obviously, I do this for a full-time job. You know, I live out of home, I feed myself, I make do with the money that I get from this. So I do a shitload of that work, and I don't do a lot of work for myself. So the whole point of vlogging or making these longer form videos is because I feel like it's genuinely going to help me do the storytelling side of things a bit better, which is paramount when it comes to touring full-time with an artist. That is my not my end goal, but that is my biggest goal right now, is to turn what I'm doing now into something that I'm doing full-time for one brand, one artist, and, you know, get into the nitty-gritty of that brand and really develop that with someone. You know, I feel like I'm going to learn a shitload from that process, and I'm also going to thoroughly enjoy the whole travel aspect of it, and, you know, getting that more intimate story from someone that you work with all the time. So yeah, that's the goal. That's what I'm doing this for, so I can learn quicker.